Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Alicia. If you like what you see, stick around and hit that subscribe button. So this is my second time filming this video because I played all the footage back from my first time filming it and I just hated it. I don't know what it was. I just watched it and I was just like, ew, no, I cannot even begin to edit this. So then it's late, but whatever, better late than never, so I'm filming this again now. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Airlash's next little adventure, which I'm so excited for. So by the time I upload this video, it would have already been announced, but I really wanted to upload a video on my channel to tell you guys about it. So Airlash's is being featured in a beauty box, which is so cool. Let me tell you guys a little bit about this beauty box. The beauty box is called Affluence Beauty and it is actually a local beauty box started in Vancouver, BC, which is a bonus because I love supporting local businesses. So Affluence Beauty's got two main goals. One, to make clean beauty more accessible, and two, to really deliver you that elevated, luxurious beauty box service experience. If you go check out their Instagram, you can just tell they are luxe. They're all about that aesthetic and it's just right up my alley, so I'm really happy to be a part of this. Affluence Beauty will be offering 3 different boxes that you can subscribe to. There's a makeup box, a skincare box, and a body care box. Airlashes will be a part of the makeup box, of course. So in the beginning stages of discussing this collaboration, what really stood out to me about Affluence Beauty is that they are a quarterly subscription box versus a monthly subscription box. And this really aligns with their mission of clean beauty and being less wasteful. Of course, with the exception of lashes, it's really hard for us to actually work through a product in 1 month. So the quarterly subscription box is perfect because you actually get a chance to work through a product and really experience it fully without feeling the need to, I don't know, rush to use it or forget about it and use the next product because the next box is being sent to you in 3 weeks or something like that. So that's what I really like about Affluence Beauty. I think that's so different and just so logical. You know? Now that I've told you about the beauty box, let's talk a little bit more about Airlash's part in all of this. So we will be having our Silk Style and Pretty Please in these boxes, and usually they come in their own packaging, but in celebration of Affluence Beauty's launch, they will be coming in my classic packaging, which is this beautiful brown craft with the gold foil box. This is what you're gonna get in the first round of the Affluence Beauty subscription boxes. This is really exciting for me, especially because I am a very small brand and I just want to do my best and I just want to do well and make people feel the way eyelashes have made me feel, which is confident and beautiful. I just want to thank everyone for their continuous love and support, supporting little old me. It really means a lot. Also, in celebration of this collaboration, there will be a sale on my website for 20% off your whole purchase with this code right here, AIR times AFF. I will put it on my shirt. Check it out. And if you want to check out Affluence Beauty, go support them. Their link will be down below. After filming this, I can already tell this footage is way better than my first time trying to film this. I don't know what it was. I think I was tired or something, but I'm feeling much better about this. I am going to import all this footage into my computer and edit it tonight and hopefully upload it by tomorrow. Please. I'm gonna go now. Thank you guys for your time and I'll speak to you soon. Bye!